Remy and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm gonna be fully honest, I'm coming at you like on a second day hangover. I am slightly struggling today, please don't mind. But hello! So, it was just my 25th birthday a few days ago. I am officially a quarter of a century. I had the absolute best birthday ever. I feel like every year I just say that, which I think is great. It's a very special thing. But yeah, I've done this video for the past like 6 years or so, and I figured I'd carry on the tradition. Basically today, I just wanted to share you guys all the amazing things that my family and friends got me for my birthday. Just wanted to start off with a little disclaimer that I feel like every YouTuber has to do when they're doing one of these videos. Of course, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I just love this tradition that I have on this channel. Just want to share with you guys, and yes. Also, I feel like I should tell you guys the gifts that I'm getting myself for my birthday, but I decided to splurge on myself for my big 25th year. I decided, first of all, I just want to go ride bikes more. I went bike riding the other day in Santa Barbara, and I had so much fun. It was beautiful, and Daisy got like her little basket, and we just had a grand time. So I decided for my birthday, I'm going to buy myself a bike. Have not bought it yet, don't really know much about bike shopping, so I need to handle that eventually, but I decided I'm gonna get myself a bike for my birthday. And then another thing that's in the mail on the way here is I got myself an iPad Pro. I've seen a lot of my friends and I guess like colleagues use it for planning and for their podcast, and I just feel like it'd be a nice investment for everything work related. So I got that. I'll show you guys in a vlog once I get that. But also I threw a huge birthday party, and the vlog is over on my vlog channel if you guys want to see that and you want to see what I got up to on my actual birthday. It's over there, link below. But moving on, I'm gonna show you guys all the gifts from everybody. Hold on, my dad's here. He's hanging out with me today. I'm vlogging, wanna say hi?
Who am I saying hi to?
This is my YouTube channel that I've been doing for a decade. Okay, my dad's here because we are going to go tour houses today, which is a whole other vlog within itself. But also I lost my voice from screaming at my birthday party, and it's finally coming back. So that's why I sound like this. We're gonna go in no order. I guess I should start off with the gifts that my mom and dad got me, and the gifts that my dad probably doesn't know he got me because my mom bought them all. I got a thumbs up. Okay, I will start here. First off, I got these adorable little earrings from my parents. They're so pretty, and I think they're gorgeous. I have a problem with my ear, which I actually need to go get like filler done inside of it because my ear holes are really saggy from wearing big earrings throughout the years. So my mom got me these really cute hoops, but they're like a nice medium size. I usually wear like massive hoops, so I think these are so pretty and dainty. Oh, they're so cute. And they have little Swarovski crystals all over. What are you doing? My dad's eating food. Oh, there's so much food in the fridge. There's a whole cake in there if you want it. There's just like crumpling behind. Okay, so beautiful earrings. Next up, they got me something so cool. As of the past couple years, I've been really getting into coffee, and they got me this huge, really fancy schmancy Espresso Maker. I already have an espresso, like just plain espresso maker, which I love and I use every single day. I'm actually drinking a coffee over there. But this one is the like big daddy version, and it comes with like normal coffee pods and then also has a milk frother, which I feel like everyone's been into lately. And then she also got me, or they also got me, a couple boxes of actual like coffee pods. So I'm really excited to try that. It's white and I think will be so pretty in my apartment or my house or wherever I'm living. We got a little buddy right there. Here, we'll put him right there. Okay, and then last but not least for my parents, they got me the most beautiful thing ever. Dad, did you know you guys got me this?
Which is the first?
Yeah.
Of course.
So for my big 25th birthday, my mom tracked down this bag for me. It is so cute. She told me there's only 3 in the entire country, which is so crazy. And I love it so much. It's this cute little black YSL camera bag. I love a little crossbody. This is pretty much the only bag I can take when I go out, like this style with the zipper at the top, because I don't lose things, I don't get things stolen, and I love the little tassel on the side. I like the pebbled leather. It's gorgeous. So thank you so much to my mom. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
And that's what they got me for my birthday. Also, I feel like I need to mention that for my birthday this year, I was begging all my friends and family to not actually get me anything, but they all went above and beyond and were so sweet. So need to say that. That goes into my next gift from my aunt and uncle. First of all, my aunt just got me an Ollie and Cal Top Ramen sweatshirts because it's an inside joke we have. So we each get a Top Ramen sweatshirt. I feel like I should open it. I'm gonna take the chicken because it's my favorite flavor. Look at this. Oh my God. We simply must do a photo shoot. We have to. Okay, so she got me that, and then she also got me this Black Label whiskey. Dad, look at this. Normally it's called Johnny Walker, but this is a special edition called Jane Walker. They put a lady on the front, and we love girl power, so she bought me this bottle of whiskey, which I can't wait to display on my bar cart. It's gorgeous. Love a boss bitch. And then for my gift, she asked me what I wanted, and I told her that I just really wanted to make donations to different charities for my birthday this year. So she was so sweet, and my aunt and uncle actually made a donation in my name to the Koala Comeback campaign, which I believe Chris Hemsworth owns the whole foundation, but basically half the money goes towards saving all the animals, and the koala specifically goes back to helping with deforestation and everything that happened with the wildfires. So I thought that was so amazing, and actually if you make a specific donation, they will send you a specific print of a koala from this like amazing artist. So that should be coming in the mail very soon. I can't wait to display that, and I'm so happy that we were able to give back. So I think this is like the most special gift ever, and I love it so much. And I got a great card. My brother and his girlfriend got me some awesome little kitchen gadgets, which I feel like I always need. First of all, I got this little veggie spiralizer that's so cute. I have a big one that's like a crank, and it just takes up a lot of space. It's really big, it takes a long time. This one is great because it's handheld. You can do a ton of different vegetables. They also got me an avocado slicer, which avocados are my favorite fruit or vegetable ever, so it's amazing. And then they got me this really nice set. Okay, and then they got me this really nice set of glass Tupperware containers. Ooh, I like the rubberized outside, very fancy. I'm always cooking, I always have leftovers, so this is absolutely perfect. Next up, my friend Bree is so sweet, and she gave me this little koala guy back here because actually, for a surprise for her, I adopted 2 koalas over in Australia, and I gave one to her. So in honor of that, she gave me this cute little koala stuffed animal, which I'm sure will be Daisy's new best friend. And then she also gave me the most adorable little jewelry pieces. First up, there's this gorgeous little bracelet that says Fearless on it. It's so pretty, and I love silver and like the gold, it's so cute. And then she also got me this little silver necklace with an R on it, which is so pretty. Moving on, for my best friend Ollie, he got me a candle from one of my favorite shops out here in LA called House of Intuition. This is the Purify candle, and then he also got me a necklace from Dior, which is so pretty and so dainty, and it looks like this. It's silver, and then has a little CD and little crystals for Christian Dior. There you go. Is it facing the right way? I don't know. So cute. Very beauty guru of me. So cute and so dainty, and I can't wait to wear all this jewelry very soon. Next up, my boyfriend Cal took me to like the fanciest restaurant in LA and did this whole day of like making me breakfast, and then had this like whole night plan, and it was the cutest thing ever. And then he also made me this custom sweatshirt with Daisy's face on it. Wait, Dad, come here, look at this. From Eli, he got me this adorable backpack, which I'm so excited about. It's a Minnie Mouse backpack. It has rose gold and sequins all over it. I love that it has like the perfect amount of sparkle. Eli was telling me how hard it was to find this in the park, and I thought it was so cute. We go to Disneyland all the time together, but I never have the perfect size bag. I always have like a backpack too small. I don't want to bring one too big. This is the perfect size. It'll fit my vlog camera and like my snacks, my water, and I can't wait to take this to Disneyland with him so soon. Thank you, Eli. I love it. And I have rose gold ears too, so it's like perfect. That'll be my outfit of the day when I go. For my best friend Kaylee, she got me cupcakes, which were so good. I already ate them all. And then I got this adorable bracelet. It looks like this. It says my person in Morse code, and I think it is so adorable. And ever since like our freshman year of high school, so in like 2009, we were like 14 years old, and Grey's Anatomy was around, we would always say that you're my person to each other. So I thought it was so special and so sentimental, and I want to cry. And then on this little card she wrote, "You have and always will be my person. Happy birthday, Rem. Love, Kay." Everybody's so sweet. From my team, I got a bunch of amazing stuff. My agent sent me this gorgeous bottle of rosé. I think it's like rosé champagne. I don't know, it's Vouv, so it's probably very bougie. Then for my managers, they got me this adorable necklace with my birthstone in it. In case you didn't know, February's birthstone is an amethyst, which I love purple, so I've always loved that. But it's so pretty and dainty, and I feel like now with all this jewelry, I need to start layering stuff. I've never layered before, and I'm really into it now. My publicist sent me flowers. I got so many beautiful flower arrangements. It was amazing. Oh my god, look at this card my brother gave me. That's me and that's him, obviously. And last but not least, we have Loshi's gift, which she asked me to vlog the card, which hopefully it's not gonna be too embarrassing. I love you so much. This is seriously me. I love her. Okay, so Loshi gave me this box, which I'm really excited about. She gave it to me last year, and I've been using it as like a storage box for the past year, and it's so cute, so I'm excited to have another one. Oh, also, Alicia took me to like a spa day and took me out to lunch on my actual birthday. It was so cute. She got me this game called Goat Yoga, which we always have pre-games here, and we will definitely be playing this. Apparently, it comes with like an inflatable goat, and then you have to like pose it on you in different areas while you're drunk, apparently. Can't wait, that sounds super fun. Next up, she got me this little portable lunch bowl. This is a porter bowl. They're super cute and sleek, and I'm always carrying lunch from my apartment over to the office, so this is absolutely perfect. And then she gave me a bunch of other little things. There's like a matcha. Ooh, is this electric? We got a matcha whisk. We got more matcha tea. Oh, this is so cute. It's just like a bunch of things I love. I love Four Sigmatic. There's mushroom coffee mix in here. And then a little Comparte's chocolate box. Ooh, cookies and cream flavored. And then last but not least, she got me this off-white little tote bag, which is seriously so cute. I have a couple friends that had these. I didn't even know they existed. And I think they're so, so cool. I'm always lugging things between here and the office or going to shoots and things. So something like this is absolutely perfect. And I love it so much. So thank you so much to all my family and my friends for all these amazing gifts. I seriously do not deserve any of them. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.